How to create a poll in WhatsApp chat. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now open the group you want to create a poll. At the bottom, you can see attachment icon. Tap on it. Multiple options will appear. Select poll here. Now write the question you want to ask in the poll. Then add your voting option for your poll. Tap on the plus icon to add more options. You can also rearrange the options. However, if you want to vote for only one person or one option, then turn off this toggle. Otherwise, the participant can vote on multiple options. Then tap on the green send button, and that's it. This is how you can create a poll in WhatsApp chat.